In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset DNS settings to the default configuration in your GoDaddy domain portfolio. If your domain's DNS records have been changed over time, maybe for a website, email service, or another custom setup, there may come a point when you want to start fresh. Resetting the DNS will remove any custom records currently in place and restore the standard default records provided by GoDaddy. This can be helpful if your DNS is no longer working as expected, or if you want to clear out old settings before setting things up again. To begin, sign into your GoDaddy account and open your domain portfolio. This is where you can view and manage the domains connected to your account. Once you're in the portfolio, locate the domain you want to update and open its DNS settings page. Make sure you're selecting the correct domain, since this process will affect the live DNS configuration for that specific name. When you're on the DNS management screen, look for the option labeled DNS Actions or Reset to Default. Depending on the layout you see, the wording may appear in one of those forms, but the goal is the same. You're opening the reset function that returns the DNS zone to GoDaddy's standard default settings. Before you continue, it's important to understand what this action does. Resetting DNS will clear any custom records you've added, such as records pointing to a website host, email provider, or third-party service. If those records are still needed, make sure you've reviewed them beforehand, because once the reset is confirmed, your previous custom setup will be removed. If you're ready to proceed, click the reset option. A confirmation prompt will appear, asking you to verify that you want to continue. This prompt is there to help prevent accidental changes, since resetting DNS can immediately affect how your domain connects to services online. Go ahead and confirm the reset. Once confirmed, GoDaddy will clear the current custom records and restore the default DNS records for the domain. After that, the reset process is complete. Keep in mind that DNS changes can sometimes take a little time to fully update across the internet, so if you don't see the result immediately, that's normal. And that's it. You've successfully reset your domain's DNS settings back to the default configuration in GoDaddy.